Hey everybody, this is Ken. I am back with another accessory. This box right here. This is from Tesstudio. It is some wheel covers for the Model Y Juniper 20-inch Helix 2.0 wheels. They probably work with the previous generation. Mine's just a little bit darker, a light gray, which I love them. But if you want a little protection, just look at them. And if you want to use my discount code, you can use it. I'll put it in the description below for you. Get a little discount. They come packaged pretty well for protection. You shouldn't hopefully get any that are broken. Just glad to have options. I did not have a lot of options on my 19-inch sport wheels on my Model 3. And this is how they look. As you can see right here, they're like a matte black. So if they look a little brighter, they are, like a dark matte, but it is like a ABS plastic. They don't have any kind of pads around, but they should fit the rims really well. And this little part right here, you can't really change that out, as you can see right there. So you'll have to pop out the ones that come in your Helix wheels, the middle little thing, the cover for the wheels, and then just pop these on, and that's pretty much it. So I'll just show you kind of how they look, what my current reels look like, the Helix 2.0, and then we'll pop this on and just tell you a difference. These also come in, think like a white or like a silver. The silver looks nice too, but I just decided just to do these just to see. Let's go. Okay, this is the back passenger side. This is how it looks. I love these rims. They're really nice. If these are like my Model 3, you don't need like a little tool. You might would though. It's kind of hard to come off. All right. So I'm gonna try to use like a little slim tool. There it is. All I'm gonna say is be very careful. You just put in the little gaps. Don't scratch your rims. That's how that looks. What we're gonna do is find that valve stem. I think that's what that's called. Huh. That's how they look. These things, they feel heavy duty, no joke. Feel really good. Covers up the valve stem there really well. See, that's kind of how that looked, but you can't take that part out. Okay guys, this is a little bit later on, and I wanted to just show you really quick. I guess this is some 3M just in case you need to somehow, I don't know why, tape it on there. I guess it looks like double-sided tape, but one thing I left off, if you can see, there is a center cap right there. It looks a whole lot better than what was there originally on this piece that's a part of it, but it looks good. It's definitely going to stick on there, and that is how they look, those right there, if you can see them. And it has 3M tape on the back of it, so covers them really nice. I'll show you kind of how they look on the sides as well. Poke out a little bit, as you can see right there. That's how they look on the sides, in between the tire and actual wheel. Let's see them in motion. How hard is it to take it off? They're on there. I'm gonna tell you that. They're definitely not gonna pop off when you're driving. Do that side. Then how you put this back on. Just like that. if you want to put that back on. You might not wear them all the time, but if you want to protect your rims from little type of curb rashes, this might help, but it might break as well. If you have any questions, please let me know. This is Ken. See you in the next video.
I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red light.